Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to learn how to draw Spider Gwen. It's going to be more of a portrait drawing. It's going to be like from the head only. It's going to be, she's from the Spiderverse movie. Um, that's pretty much it. It's going to be step by step for beginners. And that's pretty much it. It is only 8 minutes, so stick around for the entire 8 minutes and you will learn everything. Um, and that is all. So let's get started, okay? First thing I want you to do is I want you to, if you like learning how to draw Spider-Man, or if you like learning how to draw any, cartoon or comic characters step by step, click the subscribe and click the bell notification. So, all right, let's get going. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw the curve of her head. Curve right here, starting, and it's going to continue downward. And then curve down here. Maybe I'm going to pull up just a bit more on this side. All right. She has a hoodie, so that's going to kind of break the form here a bit. So we're going to pull across here. I'm going to pull downward. Pull up here and pull up. Going over here, and I'm going to find the neck. I'm going to pull downward. Make a little bit, another line over here where the neck continues on. Rest of the trapezius. I'm going to pull downward on this side for that hoodie, pull it down. And I'm going to pull just up just a bit and go straight over here into her shoulder. Okay. On this side over here, I'm going to continue on, find that shoulder. It's going to pull up, curve around down. Out over here for the rest of the hoodie. Pulling down, out, and then curving in. Going over here on this side, top of that hoodie. It's going to be a little bit of a curve, or you can kind of put a little bit of a point, but you can kind of curve it though. Over here. Pulling back. Dot over here, dot over here. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to find where the center points of the eyes are going to be, so that I don't they don't run into each other or anything. So that's going to be right here. I'm going to pull up. Going to go underneath here. Pull in over here. So that's going to be one of the eyes. Going over here, we're going to start on this, and we're going to curve just the same thing, but on the other side. Out over here. Over here. Go on this side, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw the webbing that the webbing pattern that's on the inside of that hoodie. So right here I'm gonna go, just kind of keep it relatively simple. Line here, line here, line here, 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 here. Curve for the webbing pattern. Curve here, curve here, curve here. Doesn't have to show all the way up, but I'm gonna do that because I think it's a good idea. Go over here. Curve over here. Line over here to fill that in. Kind of show that, you know, there's you know, that her neck ends over here, and there's a little bit of gap here before the rest of her hoodie. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of fold in the actual material here. So I'm gonna pull in. It's gonna pull away from the actual outer line. Curve in here. I'm gonna put one around here as well because it's tucking down, like so. Like so. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way, if you like Spider-Gwen or you like me drawing this stuff. Alright. Alrighty, let's see. Gonna go over here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it a little bit of thicker line here at the bottom. Right there. A little bit thicker, just to kind of fill that out. And maybe like a line right here for the pit of her neck. Nothing wild. And that's it. Hope you found this very educational. If you found this well, do me a huge favor and share it with anyone that you think might enjoy it. I'm a big Spider-Man fan, as you can tell. So there's gonna be a lot of videos about Spider-Man and Spider-Gwen and a lot of other characters in Spider-Man universe. So I want to thank you very much for joining me. It was a great pleasure. You know, you guys have been super nice to me. Don't forget to check out the description. There's a lot of cool information on the description to make you a better artist. And that's kind of it. We'll talk to you next time, and I'm going to see you very soon. And don't forget, when you're learning your drawing, when you're getting this stuff done, make sure that it's easy, okay? Talk to you later. Keep it fun.